To another video. So today I am here with a beauty supply store haul. So if you guys are interested, then of course continue watching this video. Okay guys, so here's the bag of goodies that I picked up from the beauty supply store. If y'all don't know, the beauty supply store is like my favorite store ever. So I went to the beauty supply store today and I want to show you guys what I picked up. So let's go ahead and get into these items. Okay guys, so the first two things that I picked up are lashes. So the first pair is a pair by I Envy. This is from their V-Lux line, and this is their Real Mink lashes in the style Misty Rose. This is how they look up close, y'all. These were super cute, and I've never seen these at my beauty supply store before, so I'm not exactly sure if this is a new line. But these were $8.99, and it says Real Mink, and they look really, really good. So I had to pick these up. They have actually quite a few different styles, and if I like these, I am definitely going back to pick up more. So yeah guys, I cannot wait to try these lashes out. I actually wanted to put these on today to film, but I said I'll wait till after I film this video. So yeah y'all, these are like so bomb. So the next pair of lashes I picked up is by a brand called Soul. These are their faux mink 3D multi-layered effect lashes, and these were $7.59 for 3 pair of lashes, and I'm gonna show you guys them up close. So these are in the number, I guess, 010, and I thought these looked really cute, especially since I am trying to find like my style of lashes. So I just want to try out quite a few different kinds, so I cannot wait to try these out. And for 3 pair of lashes, and I only paid $7.59, I really hope these are like a style that I like, because I would definitely go back and pick up more of these because they look super cute. And yeah, I just feel like my style of lashes is going to be more dramatic, because I want you to see that I have on lashes, if that makes sense, but not too dramatic. So these look really good, and I cannot wait to come back and show y'all how they look on. So the next thing I picked up was some cotton balls. And as y'all already know, we have been in quarantine, and even though most states have opened back up and their nail salons have opened back up, like I said before, I don't trust it, and I haven't really been into going to the nail salons anyway. So I love my press-on nails, like my DIY nails. So I picked up these cotton balls. This is the 300 count, and they were only $2. And yeah, since we are talking about nails, I did pick up 3 pair of press-on nails. The first pair I picked up was by a brand called Goldfinger. These are a gel glam ready-to-wear manicure set. I thought these were super cute and simple, but I love how it has that ombre effect. And these were only $6.49, and I had to pick these up. Like y'all, I have been loving my press-on nails. This next pair is also by Goldfinger. This is their Luxury Elegance at Your Fingertips, lavishly handcrafted 3D jewels. This is how this pair look up close. They also remind me of the nails that I put on in my transformation video, if you guys did watch that. But y'all, this color is everything. So this pair was $8.49. The first pair I showed you was $6.49, but y'all, I cannot wait to put these on. And the last pair that I picked up is also from that same brand, and the color in these nails are like perfect for spring, summertime. So y'all, look at this color, like perfect spring / summer nails. And I love the designs on these also. So as y'all can see, these were also $8.49. and they are so cute. I really feel like I am just going to start buying a whole lot of press-on nails. Yeah, I don't think I'm going back to the nail salon. I am going to have a whole collection of press-on nails because they're more convenient, and I work in healthcare, so I can't really have my nails too long. And when I feel like I want to wear like some glam long nails, I could just put them on and take them off whenever I feel like it. So yeah, I think I'm about to start my press-on nail collection. I also picked up just a regular nail file. I believe these were like $1 or $2 for $1. So next thing I picked up was this Wild Growth hair oil. I've heard a lot of good things about this oil, and to be honest with y'all, when I last had my braids in, they actually pulled out some of my edges, and like I said, I heard a lot of good things about this Wild Growth oil, and I cannot wait to give this a try. And it was $8. I also picked up just some basic stud earrings, real basic, but I love to pick these up because I have 3 holes in each ear, and sometimes I don't put anything in my other, like my second and third hole, and I don't want it to close up, so I just like to pick these up just so I can have something in my ear. So next I picked up this eyebrow razor because my eyebrows are growing pretty crazy and it's time for my eyebrows to be shaped up, so I just picked this up. And the last few items I picked up are lip products. So this first one I picked up is the Broadway Ultra Lip Argan Oil Lip Gloss. I absolutely love these lip glosses. The best at the beauty supply store, hands down. If you want just like a plain, simple, glossy look, y'all know this is the best beauty supply store lip gloss ever, because it reminds you of the old like 90s roll-on lip gloss that we used to buy when we were younger. And yeah, I absolutely love this, and of course this was 99 cents. And these next 3 lip products I've never seen before, so y'all let me know if they are at y'all beauty supply stores. But this is by a brand called Goody Moody, and I honestly just picked these up because I like the packaging, which is super crazy. But I picked up 2 lip glosses by this brand, and they were $2.99 each. And I also picked up one of their lipsticks, and this is in red. So I want to actually open these and show y'all them while I am filming. So this is the packaging of the glosses that I thought was super cute. This is the reason why I purchased it. And this is the packaging of the lipstick. So as y'all can see, the packaging is everything. So I will start off with the glosses. I picked up one in pink. Well, they're not really glosses. It says vitamin E lip oil. So I picked up one in pink, and I also picked up one in brown. So it smells really good. It smells like candy. It does have like a small pink tint to it. And let me try this one out. And they both smell really good. It smells like candy. So here are the swatches. This is the brown one, and this is the pink. So yeah, I still like them, like especially for me to wear to work. So I picked these up for $2.99, and then I also picked up this lipstick, and let me go ahead and swatch that one for you. And the lipstick really does have a smell to it, but that lipstick smell, so it's not like a sweet smell or anything. It's the lipstick. It's not like a bright red or anything like that. It's actually, to me, more of a gloss. But yeah, so these are the 2 glosses, the lip oils, and this one is supposed to be the lipstick, but it's nothing really special about it. So, but I'm not mad at that at all, because like I said, I picked it up because I like the packaging, and they were only $2.99, so I would definitely still wear them. So guys, those were all of the items that I picked up from the beauty supply store today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I absolutely enjoy watching beauty supply store hauls, because your girl is very frugal and I love the cheap stuff, because I feel like most of the cheap stuff is just as good as the expensive stuff. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.